Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable the power or this password login, on the Windows 11. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open the PC that contains your Windows 11. Of course, if you're a Windows 10 user, you can just go into your settings and actually upgrade into Windows 11 for free and right now. Of course, you can run the installation or the download into the background of your PC if you want to use your PC in the meanwhile. And your PC might be a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big problem. And once the download or the installation is done, you'll be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. When you do that, you'll find your Windows 11 is ready to use for you. Of course, you'll have a recovery point if you want to go back into Windows 11 or 10 whenever you want. Do not be afraid of losing any files or any apps if you want to upgrade into Windows 11 because upgrading from Windows 10 to 11 will not delete any files or apps for you. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to disable the password login on the Windows 11. So while you were making your account, they actually ask you to make a name for your PC and actually a password. So some people actually got baited and actually think that is mandatory to enter a password. It's not. You could just leave it empty and it will not have any password. And of course, now if you have already a password, if you want and you want to remove it, you can just go to your keyboard and hit the Windows I on your keyboard to open your settings, or just go and open your settings on your regular way. Now go to into your account sections, and now let's just reduce this. You would like to go into sign in options. Of course, here, go into your password, and if you have any password here, make sure to remove it. So let's just add one as an example. Here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here 1 1, next, and finish. And as you can see, that's going to be our password. So you can just go and click at change, type your current password, click at next, and now make this or let this empty. Click at next, click at finish, and as you can see, you will not have any password now. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.